on, Hibachi Hound, let's go. Come on, give us a coin. Coin, yes. All right. Nice little win. And we got the coin bonus, which is a hold and spin. We need to get items to land on the bottom row so we can collect and move up in levels and free games. Bottom row, hit something in the bottom row. Nice one. Extra spin. Oh, Wasabi bonus. A lot of them. All right, nice. Gonna get 3 of them. Free game, and a coin collect. Drop something in the bottom row. All right. Unlock the level. Really need to get to the top row. Another free game. Awesome. Come on, drop something down bottom. Keys. All right. Oh, another Wasabi bonus. Wasabi spin to be exact. Something good. All right. Boost. And a collect. We really need a key now to unlock the next level. Come on, drop a key down bottom. Key. Come on, key. All right, we got a key. Nice row to unlock. Come on, key. All right, we either need 3 keys or some more free games. Last spin. All right, nice bonus after only a couple of spins. And I thought I was betting $1.60, and I hit the wrong button and only bet 80. So it would have been twice as big. You need to pay attention sometimes when you're picking the bets. Do our backup spins. One short on the coin bonus. Couple more spins and we'll call it a day. Got to get back to work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got to get back to work. Have a great day.